Here with Michael Ponzio, an HVAC student at Electrical and HVAC Training Center today.
I'm here with Jason with the electrical program.
I want to ask you, Michael, why do you think students should hire from the school?
Yes, Mr.
Oh yeah. No, I wanted to ask you, Michael, why do you think companies should hire from our school?
I think companies should hire from us because we learn a lot of stuff. At least for the HVAC classes, we learn about burners, gas burners, oil burners, the controls, the safety switches. We learn about the refrigeration cycle, how those unit runs, how heat pumps work, and a bunch of different stuff. So what have you learned in your class, for your electrical classes?
Oh yeah, we've learned how to do fire alarm, motor controls. We've learned how to wire up 3-way and 4-way switches. We've learned how to do a lot of different things, and we learned how to do them safely. We learned how to use different tools, saws. We actually learned how to bend pipe pretty accurately. Would you say you learned how to do everything safely?
Yes. First we had to take our EPA, which is all about safety and how to handle refrigerants safely, how to do stuff properly so it's not wasteful and harming the environment.
Yo, guys, I just got done with the interview with this company, really great. He was asking me a bunch of questions about what we do in the school, and I just had so many things to tell him. He does refrigerating, and he does heating. And that's what I'm looking for. And he was asking me what we do and how, if I'm certified. Yeah, I got my EPA 608, and I'm about to get my NOR this Thursday. I'm all hyped. I'm ready to get out there work and get my hands dirty, get some experience in the field. I'm ready, man. I'm ready. I was born for this.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Happy for you.
Thank you. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go see the HVAC lab.
Let's go on an adventure.
I remember all trades room. You guys
It's all trades.
Yes, I do.
This is where we learn all of our basics with our OSHA 30.
So as you walk inside, obviously you can see all the central air conditioning units right here.